Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib Chauhan, PhD scholar from Division of Vegetable Science, IRN New Delhi. Today I am going to take my second class on the lecture series which I have started for the students who are preparing for JRF and SRF in horticulture. Today we are going to discuss mango crop. Mango, botanical name is Mangifera indica, family Anacardiaceae. Mango is also known as king of fruit. Chromosome number of mango is 2n is equal to 2x is equal to 40 and basic chromosome number is 20. Genome size of mango is nearly 439 megabase pair. Origin is Indo-Burma region. India ranked first in mango production with 45% of world production. The states who are leading in mango production are UP, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana and Maharashtra. Area production and productivity of mango in India is 22.5 lakh hectare is area in India under mango cultivation. India produced 218.22 lakh metric tons of mango and productivity is 8.7 tons per hectare. A good variety of mango contain 20% TSS and 0.2 to 0.5% acid content. Mango is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Now, climate and style. Mango is a tropical fruit crop and can be grown up to 1500 meter above the mean sea level. The temperature between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius is ideal for mango cultivation. There should not be high humidity, rain or frost during flowering of mango because it creates problem in pollination and also leads to fungal diseases. High temperature during fruit development and maturity of mango gives a better quality fruit. Mango can be grown on wide variety of soil ranging from alluvial to lateritic soil, except black cotton soil because it is having poor drainage. The ideal pH required for the mango cultivation is 6.5 to 7.5. Example of some salt tolerant rootstock of mango are 13-1, Kurukan and Ulur. Now varieties. Alfonso. It is mainly grown in Ratnagiri area of Maharashtra. Alfonso considered as one of the finest mango variety from India, but it is susceptible to spongy tissue. Now Banganpalli. It is commercial variety of Andhra Pradesh having good keeping quality. Bombay Green. It is earliest variety of North India. Chusa. It is late maturing variety of North India and it is having shy bearing habit. Dashari. It is one of the most popular variety of North India. It is having thin stone and good keeping quality. Fazli. It is indigenous variety of Bihar and West Bengal. It is late maturing in habit. Kesar. Popularly, it is popular variety of Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Pulp is sweet and it is pulp is fiberless. It is having good processing quality. Langra. It is an important commercial variety of North India, biennial bearer and mid-season variety. Neelam. It is heavy yielder, regular bearing and late season variety of South India. Totapuri. It is widely grown, regular, heavy bearing mango variety of South India and it is extensively used for processing. Now hybrids of mango. First is Malika. It is a cross of Neelam into Dashari, regular bearer and highest vitamin A content. Amrapali is a cross of Dashari into Neelam. It is dwarf variety suitable for high density planting. Ratna is it is a cross of Neelam into Amrapali, a regular bearer and free from spongy tissue. Arka Runa is a cross of Banganpalli into Alfonso. It is also a dwarf variety free from spongy tissue. Arka Mole is cross of Alfonso into Janardhan Basan. It is free from spongy tissue and regular bearer. Pusa Lalima is cross of Dashari into Sensation. It is regular bearer. Pusa Shrestha is cross of Amrapali into Sensation. It is having elongated fruit and suitable for packing. Sindhu is a cross of Ratna into Alfonso, having papery thin stone. Arka Suprabhat is a double cross hybrid made by crossing Amrapali into Arka Anmol. In clonal selection, uh, the clones which are selected are C18, C24, C35 and C45 from Dasheri. HAS4 and NPP5 are superior clone from Alfonso and Raspberry. The Sherry 51 is a clone which is identified. It is reported having free from mango malformation. Now propagation. Mango is cross-pollinated crop and seed propagated plant of mango take 5 to 6 years to bear a fruit. Therefore, to get early and quality fruiting, asexual method of propagation commercially adopted in mango. Common propagation technique used in mango are enarching, veneer or side grafting, softwood grafting, and epigodial grafting. Side grafting or veneer grafting techniques was standardized for mass-scale commercial propagation of mango. Epicodal grafting is widely practiced in Konkan region of Maharashtra. In epicodal grafting, germinated seedling of 8 to 15 days old are used for grafting with success rate of 75 to 80%. Now planting. Square and rectangular system of planting are commercially followed in mango. In North India, Amrapali was found amenable for high density planting with spacing of 2.5 by 2.5 meter. Severe pruning and use of paclabutazole was suggested for high density planting of dasheri. Conventional planting distance of mango is 10 to 12 meter. By this, only 10 to 50, 10, 100 to 70 plants per hectare were accommodated. Valai columban used as a rootstock to induce dwarfing in Alfonso. Now rootstock of mango. Mangifera laurina is resistant to anthracnose. Mangifera grifti having good source of color gene, and rootstock Mangifera comptosperma is submergence tolerance, and Mangifera khasiana and Mangifera sylvatica is found tolerant to low temperature, and rootstock 13-1 is having salt tolerant. Mango trees are terminal bearer, that is, they flower from end of the branches, and it will flower only on mature wood, that is, shoot which is 6 week or older. Now physiological disorder. First is black tip. It is also known as chimney disease. It is caused due to the proximity of orchard near to brickling. Deleterious effect of gases from brickling operating in near vicinity of mango orchard, which is within 3 kilometers. Internal necrosis. It is caused due to boron deficiency. Fruit clustering, it is also called as jhumka. This abnormality is characterized by setting of several fruitlets at a tip of panicle. To prevent this, uh, ensure the pollination by keeping the beehives in your orchard and avoid spraying of insecticide during flowering. Alternate bearing. Majority of South Indian variety are regular bearer, where the North Indian variety suffer from this problem. Paclabutazole, it is a growth retardant, smudging, that is poking, are the remedies to control this problem. Now mango malformation. There are two types of mango malformation, vegetative and floral. But floral mango malformation directly affect the productivity. Blossoming of early emergent flowers during December and January, or spraying of NNA 200 ppm lower the incidence of mango malformation. A spongy tissue. It is severe problem in Alfonso variety. Now, pest and disease and pest of mango. In disease, anthracnose caused by Colotridium glosporide. Powdery mildew is caused by Odium mangiferi. In mango, bacterial canker caused by Xanthomonas compestis. And red rust of mango caused due to Cephalourus corticulum. In pest, hopper in mango hopper having a scientific name Ambritodas atkinsoni. Mealybug having a scientific name Drosicha mangiferi. Fruit fly is Bactrocera dorsalis. Stem borer is Bactrocera ruformaculata. Stone weevil scientific name Sternochaetus mangiferi. Now post-harvest technology of mango. Specific gravity of mature mango fruit is varies from 1.01 to 1.03, and mature mango fruit is heavier than immature fruit. Vapor heat treatment of mangoes at 46 degrees Celsius help in reduction of incidence of anthracnose and stem rot. It is also done to protect fruit from fruit fly and stone weevil. The storage temperature of mango is 10 to uh, 13 degrees Celsius, and it is stored at 95 to 90 to 95% relative humidity. Pre-cooling of mango is done at 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. And thank you. And in next class we will discuss about our second crop, which is banana. And don't forget to like and share with your friends who are preparing for SRF and GRF exam in horticulture. And take care and be safe.